Before we write C programs, would not it be interesting to find out what C is, its importance, its origin, its uses, and its underlying philosophy? In this section, we will briefly discuss this. To begin with, we will talk about why you should learn C in 2020 and beyond. Then, we will talk about the brief history of C. You will understand why C is called a middle-level language and a structured language. We will then discuss compilers and interpreters, the tools we need to execute our program on a computer. We will discuss the C character set that includes alphabets, digits, and special symbols. From the C character set, constants, variables, keywords, operators, and expressions are built to make a C statement, also known as an instruction. Every C program is a collection of such statements. We will discuss constants, variables, and keywords. Next, we will talk about IDEs or integrated development environments and their importance in writing and executing our programs easily and efficiently. I will then demonstrate how to write, compile, and execute 3 complete C programs step by step with explanations.